Okay, this is the most dreaded fuel line I ever had to replace. And by all means necessary, I try to get away from having to do it. This line runs through this shroud, comes out the other side around the same location, right inside the carburetor body. I have removed the fuel line clamp on the opposing side. Show you what that looks like in case you need a visual. There's where the line comes out right here, and you have to fish it back through the shrouding to this side. I've seen a handful of these directed around the back of this case because it is no fun getting in here. So we're going to attempt it just to see what happens. I usually don't even waste time with this because, oh my gosh, I've thought about putting like a fish or something on the other side to maybe pull the other line through, but there's no easy way because the line doesn't even go straight through. It actually goes in. If you ever had your tongue pierced, it's about the same as that. It goes in around the vein essentially and then out the other side. Well, this goes in. You can't even see through it. Well, exactly. You can't. You barely can if you know where to look. In this video, you saw a glimmer right there. There's a tiny bit of glimmer you can see through. Which it's there, but the problem is they designed it to go underneath the flywheel housing. So the line literally goes underneath a plate inside here usually. That's behind the flywheel. And in my younger years, I didn't realize that. I had ran the fuel line around it, and you start the machine, it just destroys the fuel line. Fuel runs everywhere. It's no fun. So for future reference, charge differently when you have to do a fuel line replacement here. And if the customer doesn't want to spend what it could take for you to essentially take this cover off to do this the most efficient way possible, in my opinion, with the amount of times I've tried to do this every other way in the past, all from the price to do it right, all from the price to go around the backside. They both can work, but we generally like to put the line back where it belongs. Tecumseh, I'm glad they switched to that. So I don't even think they're in business anymore, but this would be one good reason why. Great engines at times, but this type of design flaw is just pathetic for a wear use item. So alrighty guys, I can't really do much more videoing. I wish I could show you how to fish this through. But basically, at the end of the day, if you have a way to fish this through without removing this cover, I'd be more than happy to hear your idea in the link below. I just do not know of any other way but to remove this cover to effectively replace this fuel line. Alrighty guys, peace, be blessed. Like, share, subscribe.